Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta carbonara full guide. Start by boiling salted water, grate pecorino romano, and dice guanciale into small pieces. Cook spaghetti until al dente and crisp the guanciale in its fat until golden. Whisk eggs with grated cheese and pepper off heat, then toss quickly with hot pasta and some reserved cooking water to form a silky, glossy sauce everyone will love. For a great carbonara, select pecorino romano, fresh large eggs, and guanciale or pancetta. Measure ingredients so the cheese and egg ratio coats pasta without scrambling. Render the pork slowly to capture flavorful fat and crisp edges for texture contrast. Add freshly cracked black pepper to taste for aromatic warmth. Use reserved pasta water sparingly to loosen the mixture and achieve a smooth, restaurant-quality finish every time you toss the pasta. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more cooking tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading while waiting for timers and simmering pots because it's portable and easy to hold. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if interested. Your support helps me make more content, and now let's get back to the video. Master the technique by timing the heat and tossing method precisely. After frying guanciale, combine hot pasta with rendered fat, then remove from heat before introducing the egg cheese mix. Rapid tossing leverages residual heat to cook eggs gently and create a silky emulsion. Add reserved pasta water little by little until the sauce reaches the desired sheen and thickness. Finish with extra pecorino and cracked black pepper for bright, balanced flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.